I got a new curling iron. It's a 1.5-inch barrel and it is really long. You have in your hands the #1 natural ionic styling tool in America. Creates beautiful, longer lasting curls in half the time. Created for stylists by stylists. Well, that would be me. I'm a sucker for new technology. I don't even know, is this new? It wasn't cheap, I'll tell you that. This is Fahrenheit, so I generally don't go too high. Maximum I'll go is 360. I'm gonna section off my hair as usual. Oh, that's nice too, this little thing. It's actually not little, it's a good size. Yeah, and this is not sponsored. I just was really curious. Let's fast forward this. I'm gonna spray this one and see if it makes a difference. Yeah, I should have been spraying the whole time. If you don't already know, on my page, there's a link that takes you to all the other links for my favorite products and the products that I use. It does help me when you use those, no pressure. The Shop My Favorites is where I try to put everything that I can. And if I can't find it there, then just scroll down and it will be below. So I hold it a little bit longer at the crown because that's where my crown separates and kind of makes me look like I have a bald spot. See right there? That drives me crazy. Somebody asked me the other day if I'd been losing my hair at all since my hysterectomy. I definitely am losing hair, but I don't know if that's just the amount that I would naturally shed anyways during the day. I've been dealing with Hashimoto's for years, which creates hair loss. Plus, obviously, I had my hysterectomy. But, I mean, your hair naturally sheds anyways, so I'm not noticing any areas that are thinner. I expect that this may get thinner at some point because that's often what happens as we age, but we'll see. I'm mentally prepared for that. Okay, I'm gonna shake this out. Hold on. What's the verdict of this curling iron? I love it, but I love technology, and I love that it's long and it's smooth and it created a nice curl. Do you need it? Probably not. If you're like me, you may want it. I have to say though, I've got lots of volume. I'm not sure if that's from the curling iron or if it's just my wonderful skill. Anyway, let me know if you've tried this before. What's your favorite curling iron? And if you are interested in this, I'm gonna leave a link in the Shop My links. And I hope this helps and I will see you later. Bye.